Hey, it's Glozell Jr. So, my dog ran away. Now, we didn't. Okay, so my mom doesn't like animals, so the dog was outside all the time. Couldn't come in the house. Then we rented a dog food, and considering the fact that she doesn't like the dog, she didn't buy any more dog food. And so she's the dog, Sassy. She started eating human food. She has spaghetti, fried chicken, pork chops, green beans, greens, mashed potatoes, corn, everything. But I guess she got tired of that and she ran away. She didn't just run away because our house is old, okay? And the gate, it doesn't... the gate opens, okay, but it doesn't open. It just falls. So I had to put a little rope around there and had it all set up nice and neat. Somebody stole our bikes, 2 of our bikes, and they let the dog out apparently without knowing it. The first time that my mom bought dog food since we got the dog was today. And we came home like, oh my God, we're about to go give Sassy the dog food and everything. I go right there, I'm like, Sassy? Sassy. Where you at? Where you at? She was gone. She was gone. Then I found one of the bikes. It was in my window. The window was broke. I'm like, what? Detroit. That's all I gotta say. It's Detroit. Okay. So my dog is gone. So my dog is gone. See, Glozell dog was lucky. At least it lost hair. My dog just left. It's probably got his guts all out. Okay. Oh, and the song Price Tag by Jessie J featuring B.O.B. The first verse says she wondered how people sleep at night. Why she needs to know all that? Like, let them sleep. Well, I know how they sleep. They close their eyes. Alright, Glozell Jr. over now.